My name is Tim Schurrer. I'm the COO of StoryBrand, and a lot of our revenue was tied up in in-person events, and we had to pivot to making these live stream experiences possible. And so partnering with Resi and giving us a reliable live stream platform that we could use and then deliver that content to our customers as many times as we needed over the last several months has made all the difference in the world for us. And what could have been a really hard year, total loss in revenue because these in-person events are having to be canceled, we actually saw the exact opposite because we were able to pivot to these live stream events, charge people those live stream events. They are having such great experiences on those live stream events that they were telling their friends, and more people were part of these. So we've served tens of thousands of customers virtually, and couldn't have done it without the team at Resi. These other streaming companies were just making me feel like, hey, it's just kind of how it is. But our standards have been really high the entire time, and we just believed in a particular customer experience, and what we were delivering to them wasn't meeting our own standards. And so we weren't going to just accept the reality that people should have to experience such low quality just to be able to keep the feed from having that AV lag. And I was getting a ton of phone calls from friends of mine who also ran events and needing to shift to digital. What are you guys using? What platforms? And I just didn't really have a good answer for them because I was in the middle of the struggle too, a few different platforms, and none of them were really delivering. One of the guys told me once, he's like, tell the kid down the road, playing video games to, stop playing video games and streaming and taking all the bandwidth. And I'm like, cool. I can't go to our CEO and give them that answer. I know that you're kind of joking, but you're actually kind of serious, because what you're telling me is you actually don't know how to solve the problem. And that was just the furthest thing from my experience with you guys. And not only did we start to experience way better live streams, the impact that it's had on our customer experience team. Anytime you have issues on a stream, well, who gets lit up? Customer experience. And our live streams are so boring now. We don't have to worry about all of the customers writing in telling us that they're not getting a good feed, or, hey, this is skippy, really choppy, I can't even hear the content. That all points back to really great content. And then the streaming platform is just so solid that it's the thing that no one's thinking about, right? So streaming done right is when you're not thinking about the platform. All you have to think about is the content that's being delivered.